Shit. The door's locked. Yeah. Maisie! Hi!
Hey!
What's up?
Not much.
How are you?
All right, how you doing?
Good. Hi, John.
Oh my goodness. Happy birthday. Thank you, buddy. Oh my goodness. Hi, buddy.
His name is Maximus, but you can change it. But Tristan and I have been calling him that for a while now.
Like a month.
He's so scared.
So little.
Kylo, come here. Jackson. Jackson. Jackson, I got a new brother for you.
Don't tell him that. He wants a real brother. You want it? He's very scared. He needs to eat too.
Okay.
It's all in my truck.
Everything has been in Danielle's house.
Where's Kylo?
Is he upstairs with Angie? She doesn't know either. Do you want to call Angie down?